How to edit templates on Asana. First is to launch the Asana application. Then in your homepage, you will see this section Projects. Tap See All and you will see all of the projects that you have created. To edit, you can select from your existing projects or you can create a new project by tapping on the New Project button located on the lower right corner. So when you tap on a project, you can create more tasks by tapping on the New Task button found on the lower right corner. So when you create a task, you will need to input the name of that task. Once you've created the title, tap Create. Then to edit this task, all you have to do is tap on that task. And then in here, you will find different ways to edit this task. So you can tap the Unassigned section and enter the email of that person that you want to assign this task to. You can also set the due date of this task and add a description to the details of this task. So if this task has more parts that needs to be done, you can add this on the subtask portion. And then you can add emails of individuals assigned to this subtask and set the due date of this subtask. So you can also add attachments to this tab, say for example, the format as to how this task should be created. Say for example, you want to share this task, all you have to do is tap the three dots or the ellipsis icon found on the top right corner and then select Share. So you can select this from any of the applications found below. And so that is how you edit templates on Asana. Thank you and have a great day.